Hi guys, my name is Sondre. I am the chainsaw apprentice. Today I bought a chainsaw on Temu. It's a top handle. I bought it for I think $118 I think. So let's see what it contains. So we get this kind of funnel, which is actually broken. You see it's cracked. Yeah, bar protector, the chainsaw bar or the chain space saw. So yeah, nice little fuel mixer thing. Yeah, the manual, and you actually get some tools with it. I think this is supposed to be a file, some Allen keys, and a dog, and wrench. So I think that's it. Here is the saw. Looks okay. Looks like it has actually some compression, so that's good. There is also chain here, 3/8, 45 drive links looks like. So I'm going to mount the bar, and we're going to test it out. So this is the saw when the cover is off. See, there's a clutch here. This actually marks the way it can be dismantled. Choke, off and on switch. Pretty alright. Just wanted to show this file. This was a bit different because it looks like a weird kind of thread pattern here. Maybe it will work. We will try. So this is the file I got with the saw. Just wanted to see if it's actually working. Just wanted to compare it to a regular file. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is a thread-like pattern. So just wanted to see if this can actually file the chain at all. Doesn't necessarily look like it has some grip to it. So well, there is some shavings here, but I think you're better off buying an actual file. You see there are more scratches in the file than in the tooth of the chain. So I think, yeah, let's hope the saw is a little bit better with a different file.